When you need to lift heavy materials efficiently and safely, the RGC Swing Hoist HS2000 is your go-to solution. With a 2,000-pound capacity, this hoist can swing to the left or right, making it versatile for any job site needs. Constructed with high-strength steel tubing, the HS2000 ensures reliable performance every time. Hydraulic power gives you complete control over lifting height and speed, enhancing safety for your crew. Designed for easy handling and quick assembly, the HS2000 includes safety features like a self-locking hydraulic boom and a protective fence. RGC Swing Hoist HS2000, lifting heavy loads with ease and keeping your crew safe. Available now at Big Rock Supply.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.